this is not in the PDF file, so you can memorize by yourself. Alt table, table name, then job column. And this is how tell you guys how to create the index and job index. It's the same syntax. And what we use here is if you create an index, if you retrieve this column, the system will be automatically use the index, so the retrieve time will be faster. So here's another important is create and job view. So what the view means, I will give you guys an example. Let's see what's in works out here first. Okay, there are a lot of column rows here. So I will choose. I will use select first to see what we have. I will select the ESSN. From works on where I will choose the hours equal to 10. Okay. So yeah, there's a 5-person workshop is 10. So if each time I want to check this, I have to type these 3 lines. Okay. So what view means? I will create a view. Like hours 10. Okay. Okay. As then type the select command I just typed in. Oh, it says view created. So what happened? If you want to retrieve the same data again, you just select all from your view name. This time view name is hours 10. So it will give you the same result. It's for you guys to easy to retrieve the data. So you don't have to type the string line, you just type the view name. It's very simple. Convenient for you guys to use. And also it's easy to drop, just drop view. It's very easy. Okay, view drop. And view drawing, this is complex condition use join because we use different tables. It will be the same, and also use the aggregate command like by the same. Okay, this syntax I think I just mentioned. Use add and file name. You can read the sequence script in your host directory. Also, you can use ed to modify it. If you don't have the existing file, the system will ask you to create it or not. Okay. So
Excuse
now,
me, ed is modify or
which one? Yeah, ed is modify.
modify the files?
Yes. Well, I can show you. Sure, to connect SQL Plus first. So yeah, you just need the C this directory. You use ed whatever you want to test. if you don't have this file, you will ask you to create or not. If you have, it will show. Let us see. Because I already have the file. You can see I have a lot of secret files here. So I will just add whatever. Q0, okay? I will add ED0. Yeah, it will show the existing file. It's already contained the file. Next, we will talk about the basic select from command. I see. Oh, because before that, you can do one thing. Because you don't have the data in your database, you should run this. Because in the file download, there is in this folder. There's a CR company file. You can open it. In it, you just create, you can see, create employee table, department table, dependent table project, and also it will insert values into a table. So you can run this first. It's very easy. Go to this view, this dialog. Okay. Add the file name. Oh. Yes, now in your SQL Server, I think you have all these things. So have you inserted all the values into your database? Yes,
That is side by side with the file. No, that was mine is different. Okay. So, are you understanding what I'm trying to tell you?
yeah.
So, and do in the QZ that I don't have anything called QZ. Minus ED.
So we will learn about basic select from where command. Very simple. Because first, so the second one is very simple. I think we select the retrieve the birth date and address of employee whose name is John. Last name is Smith. We will select the date, address, which two column I want to retrieve from employee. And name John. And here it should be capital. And we'll see there's one guy whose database whose name is John Lee Smith, and it's birth of date and then address. There's also another conditional like you select the name, choose the name, and address of all employees who work for the reserve department. So it's also saying select what you want name. So again, I just select the first name from employee. Now we use join because we should also know sheet from the department.
couldn't you cut copy paste
This is a join condition. The number is in the department and the number this contribution is the employee.
she cut the pages from it, put on the notepad,
So
and she
see
got the numbers from
the
it.
results. I just retrieve the first name. I think here is the same. Here we use another one. If we join the same table twice, yeah, if we join the table twice, we name it like the query 8 for each employee retrieve the employee's first and last name and the first and last name of her immediate supervisor. So here we will use the employee table twice. Okay, so we will create a name of the different table. Because the same table, so we will just create a name like SNE here.
I got stuck again. Okay, I tried to push that. This is what I am connected. just delete this and then I got stuck.
You will see the
Last name, ID and
works
password again.
here, employees here, then we have
Yeah, I put my ID and
supervisors here.
password.
Okay.
And
And in the select from the syntax, there's just one statement can be missed,
I wanna
just
continue.
where.
Yeah,
So
continue.
I think I give you guys example like select all from, not doesn't have the where. So here is very simple. You can select to one row like SNN from employees. So maybe in your next homework or assignment, you will use the select syntax because at the end of all the tree, we will just want to know one column, maybe two columns. So at the end, we always use select, just select syntax statement. So asterisk, I also give you guys illustration like select, asterisk means all, from, and where, the department number equal to 5, will show all the employee who works in the department number equal to 5. And also there's another set operation like or and distinct. Or I think it's the same like select. It will give you the same result like salary. I will use salary from the employee. Okay. I will use for. It's the same. Okay, so let us see there's a same attribute in the column, okay? There's a 325,000 in this column. So if we want to dismiss the same values, we use distinct. Okay, just 6 rows. So we dismiss this another 2 same attributes values. So because sometimes we want to dismiss the same values at the aggregate command, we will use another one command that is having to calculate how many it has. We also can use syntax like to retrieve something. Maybe we don't know exactly what's value in the column. We just know one part of the things in the column, so we can use like. Now I just know this. You want to know the guys lives in Houston, so I will just type We'll see. There's 5 guys' address is in Houston, so I just get my result. You can use like this here, like this and so get this. Also, we can use some condition, check conditions like this. We want to know all the employees' salary between 30,000 and the 40,000, which is also works in the department number is 5. So they are working in the department 5. It says from here we use order by. It's the same. We'll talk about it later. Here's the complex select. It's like you will see in the end, I retrieve all the information from employee. There's a column is super SSN. You will see one employee don't have this values. Okay, so I will treat them employee who has super SSN, which means is in this situation no. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, you will see this guy, James Ford, don't have this super assistant, so I retrieve from the table that who doesn't have the assistant, so I retrieve this guy. And here is the nested query. It is like we select the pinup first, then we use another select from the condition is from this result. And also we use or here is just like if you also have this fulfill this requirement, you will also select from this situation. This is a correlated test. It's the same. We will use because we have the same column here, so we can use it in the same time. So we just name it. Okay, here we name it employee. So we can join these two columns. If we don't, we can figure out which six from.
I wanted to see that there's two. Okay, so the procedure will be CSC, the data will be here, and change the
This is a really complicated one. So select project number from department 5 first, then select all these project number from the work zone. So here is minus. So project 5 project from department 5 minus all the projects, so it means who works doesn't in the project under the department 5. So here is not existed, so it's like not. So it's like where you existed in the department 5. So it's very complicated. So it's here just give you guys example. In real time you don't have to do that. I think. This is also the same. And this here you use n and also not existed. Oh, here you use distinct and also use the syntax. We can retrieve data easily with one command. if we know what we want to retrieve in one column, I know all the attributes domain of one column, so we can use this one work out because I know there's only maybe 10 values in the project number like 1 to 10. So I just want to know the string, the ESN from this 1 to 3. I just can type 1 to 3. So I will get all the ESS who works in the project number, which is 1 to 3. This is outer join. I will give you this is outer join sign. Okay, you will see outer join like this. This is right. This is I think right out join. So yeah, and here you will see we will give you the result of all the right yes access here. But if it didn't match, it also will show none here. So this is out join. It will show all the products of this join. So it means outer join. Also, yeah, now we will match the aggregate functions like summary, max, minimum, and the average. It will automatically calculate what you want, like this. Summary is all the salary together. Max. This is what I'm typing is the column I want to show. So what I want to show is the maximum salary in one column. So at here I will get 4 columns in the result, and each column has the same has different functions. Like sum to max, min, and average. This query is just using join, and there's another aggregate function is being count. So we use count asterisk count all the time. So now we will count. If you just use default count or, it will give you the number of the column the row you haven't chosen. So it's like I select asterisk all from employee, but I will count because I want to know how many rows I have. So now I have 8. So just 8.
About the query 8C.
Which one?
8C, before 19.
119.
Yeah, before, yeah.
8C.
Yeah.
It's outer joins.
Yeah, when I use select between 2 tables, I must use this for like
Yeah,
in the
outer join usually use this syntax. Outer join. Also, you can use the this sign, add sign to here. It will make the difference. Is this? I think this outer right outer join. You go this way, it's left. I'm not very sure, but the result will be different. I will give you an example. should be this one.
Yeah, so plus mean here there's means outer joint.
Yes, outer joint.
What's the symbol for inner joint?
Inner joint, I think outer joint just give you all the results. Like if you don't have the match sign, it will give no. So joint is like a product, right? You know that. So if it doesn't match, you should know. So in the inner joint is that if you were dismissed in this one. Okay, outer joint will give you all the results.
What about if I say employee dot SSN without instantiate by E or by N?
Because here we use the employee table twice, so we will
Yeah.
create like this. So what do you mean?
I mean, I must create instantiation for employee and
Yes, yes, because we use this
With the
table twice.
identity.
But if we will use different table, we don't have to do that. Okay, we just how to count SRM is to count all the rows you have choose. Also, you can see there's another syntax like count distinct salary. We know distinct salary we choose is like 5 or 6. I will give you an example, so it will count. So it's 6. So if I use this to count the result, it will be 6. Okay. That's how we use count. And also there's okay, now we max group by. Group by is if you have the same one, it will group together. Let's see if we don't use this first. If I use this group by, I don't have to use count. You will see. This is the result. So if I use group by, it will provide the same genome, and I also will use count to count
Something wrong with the password.
how many same value we have. Average salary we have, doesn't matter.
Should I put ORC in the password? No.
You will see. There's a one. The department one is just 1, 5, 4, 4 is 3. So let us check. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1 is 4. So that's how we use group by. If I don't use count, it just show the like you use the distinct. So yeah, so always we use counter and the group by together to count how many we have. Also, it's like for this distinct is also the same way. Group by. I think there's another order.
This one?
Yeah, it's very simple. I can use the select class name
You can't log in.
So now she has to
from employee and order
Yeah, yeah.
order by last name. Okay, it shows alphabetically A to Z, but if we want to descending, sorry. Order by and then descending. other way. C is coming from the top of the column and B
Okay, from off campus.
going to the bottom of the column. And also we have another one is like count having. So after we use group by and we count it, then we can have another condition like we just want to know which count number is bigger than 2. So we can use this example also.
Yeah, influence it. Yeah.
Why should not change that first when we change the one right? Why is it coming like table props?
Select.
Create a table again and then
That's
Yeah, this is the root runner.
yeah. Use this IP. Maybe with the IP you can able to
And
log in.
next one is the file.
and then
I think
Group by. So yeah, and having count.
In the host file.
So we just have part numbers 5, 2, and 4 because the 1 just only 1, so the count is equal to 1 is less than 1. So we just want to have the part number bigger than 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is all the combine of the having and order. You can practice by yourself. So
You have no way.
at the end, there's another 3 insert update. Very simple insert. You've already done that. And also it has 2 ways you can create it. Just first you use the default column, so you can type all the columns you want. Also, you just want to typing this the part of the column in the table. You just type the name of the column attribute, then just type in. So it's just one. If you want, just type in the part of the column. That's the way. Also delete. I just show you how to drop all the tables. So delete is also delete the contents in the table. So we will see from okay, the project table is like this. I want to delete project where let's see a number equal to 1. So 1 row deleted. What do we have here? You see the difference? This row has been deleted. Okay. This is where is the condition. So yeah, that's it. If we want to delete all the table, all the data, just use delete the table's name. This is 5 rows deleted. Okay. When you retrieve this table, nothing happened. Nothing is
from Android, what is your say?
So last is update. Update is the same. Select, we will choose another like work song. You will see a lot of data here.
So yeah, I have to change it. It will change it. So that will create So what I did, I just changed the name. Female.
Let's use department as an example. Okay, so project department, the data here is like this. So I will update
SSL open to number change.
table's name.
45 years you take changes.
I will update 1 row like I will update the R equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And where is the condition where the number equal to 1.
The second move is
So it's at 1 row updated. So when we retrieve this table again, you will see I changed the value where the number equal to 1. I changed the integer assistant values. Also, you can see you can use the multiply here.
And this good.
Like, okay, I will use the employee here. You will see the salary is like here now. Give you yeah, it's like this. So I will update.
Same.
Set. I want to raise their salary. So how can we do with one time? I just want to add maybe 10% of their salary. So I will have multiply 1 by 1. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Okay, 8 rows updated. Let's check the salary again. So it's added the 10% of the salary. Okay, so here now it's like this. Before it's like this. So we use the update to change the values. That's what we use update for. Okay, that's all of the Access Lab today. There are so many things mentioned, so you have to practice with yourself. And in your first project, I think you may use one part of them. So you should try your best to get familiar all of this. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, see you guys. Yes, sit.
How to connect the table?
Already have this slide.
Wanna check the
So this is not yes.
Yeah, it's what if you use yeah, you just
and then cut off.
yeah. Yes, I will do the if you don't use it.
See now, they did this 2 rows. And the other now